Bob recently bought a smart refrigerator that was supposed to make his life easier. Little did he know, it had a mind of its own. One morning, Bob tried to grab some milk for his cereal. The fridge's screen lit up. "How about some almond milk instead, Bob?" Slightly taken aback, he agreed. The next day, he reached for his leftover pizza, but the fridge chimed in. "Maybe a salad today, Bob?" Annoyed but curious, he followed its advice. This went on for weeks, the fridge dictating his meals. Frustrated, Bob decided to outsmart it. He wrote a note, "Dear Fridge, I want pizza. Regards, Bob." The next day he found a reply. "Dear Bob, order it yourself. Regards, Fridge."